Hi, I just wanted to show you how to create a sheet with a camera on it. Because it's pretty easy, obviously, to select the camera and come over here to your drawing processes and go to cameras and then pick one like selected cameras on NCD and then go inside and select the file. Now, I have none created here, so there's none in here. So what you're going to do is instead you want to name one here. Now, first of all, well, it doesn't need to be first of all, but you want to go into this drawing process first. So go to output, drawing process, and let's come down here. Obviously we can create different processes for different for different companies. So if you come in here, go to cameras and selected single parts. This one here is the one. So if you check up here in cameras, you can see it's checked down here. So we're going to come in here and we can see this is going on this sheet here is for a specific client. So that's okay with me. And the number, the drawing name is going to be E dash and then flat, and then I guess this is 03 for some reason instead of 01. Not sure what I was doing there. But anyway, it's going to a prototype, which is this one, and this is the number it's going to get. So the drawing name is going to get an E in front of it. So on the sheet, it will not get that because that's not the drawing name. So what's going to happen here is you're going to select this, you're going to go select it, and then you're going to name this. Now, let's say I'm going to name it 100. So when I name this 100, the drawing name is going to get an E and a dash in front of it. But on the sheet, it's not. So let's click OK. And let's see what happens down here. You can see that it's gone on a sheet E-100. Now click on that and show camera detail. And you can see here's your detail. Not necessarily the right drawing style I want. I'd like to have this with I'm going to need this having the system lines on, but that's fine. I can change that easy enough. So what I want to do now is I want to check this sheet name. So if I come down here to the bottom, you can see this is E100. And this is E100 because in my drawing I have it set up. You can see this is separate to this. So I already have the E on my sheet. So this here is different. So see, that's not part of that. So that allows, so the other part I was looking at, so if you go back, if I go into the drawing process, and the other one in here, this was the one that puts the E on the front of the 100 on the name of that drawing. And then I have another E on the sheet to put the E in front of it so that they match. So I hope that helps, because I know at the start I struggled a little with getting a camera on a sheet when I didn't already have the sheet created some other way. So it's good to do it that way. It's quicker, obviously, and then you can obviously set up processes for all your cameras, which you can see I have here for details, elevations and plans, and I have another video for that. If anyone is interested, you can find it on my channel. Alright, I hope that helps. Bye bye.